In this video, I'm going to show you what a bad lower ball joint looks like compared to a good lower ball joint. So let's get into it. I just took this old ball joint out of the control arm on this vehicle, and I just wanted to show the difference between the two. This goes in this way, by the way. I'm just setting it here because it's like a little table. So difference between the two, first of all, visually you can see that the rubber boot is completely ripped off and removed on my right one, which was the old one, and the new one has an intact boot that is not dry rotted. So that's the first visual difference you'll see. The second difference is not visual, but you will be able to feel the difference, and you can move a ball joint very easily. Like, look how I can effortlessly move this joint with just, one finger. If I try to do that with this one, it's just not happening. It can be moved. It is possible if I put a lot of weight into it and I change the angle. But, with one hand, I'm just not able to move it. The reason why it's important to have a ball joint that's not loose and old is because it's important to your handling and your steering and just the ride enjoyability of your vehicle. Over time, that ball joint, as it wears out, it can potentially create a clunking noise as you're driving as well, especially when you hit bumps or you're making turns. It's going to negatively impact your steering response, which is, of course, unsafe when these ball joints are damaged like this. It can have a negative impact on your tire tread as well, because your tire and your steering can start to wobble and vibrate quite a bit. So those are kind of the things that build up to numerous safety concerns and why it's important to replace these lower ball joints whenever they wear out like this. So I am now going to continue, and I'm going to press this into this control arm and get this job done. I hope that was helpful for you in looking at the difference between an old one and a new one. Thanks for watching.